Okay, so now we're going to discuss about the classification of virus. So as we know that virus is basically based on the host organism, based on the host organism, and virus is also based on some other structures, like we can say on the morphology or on the genome type and the mode of action of in the host, how virus survive in the host. So these are something on the, we can say, the classification of virus based on the mode of action. Fine. So now let's see about, first we're going to discuss about the classification of virus which is based on the host. Okay, classification of virus based on the host. So let me write here, based on host. Find classification of virus based on host. Now, as you can easily identify that we can say the virus is classified on the basis of their host. So that is in the three types. One is bacteriophage, another is plant virus, and third we have animal virus. Okay. So on these three, the virus basically the classification of virus which is host. So it deviates to, now if I to talk about first bacteriophage. So basically the bacteriophage is the virus which attacked on the bacteria, which attacked on bacteria. Now it contain what? It contain the DNA virus. It contain what? It contain DNA virus. And if I do talk about the shape of this, we can say bacteriophage virus. So that is polyhedral, in which we have one, in which head is also there and tail is also there. So polyhedral head and tail is the shape of what? Is the shape of bacteriophage virus. Head and tail. And if I do talk about here the plant virus, plant virus. So we know that more than 2000 types of plant virus are being, we can say, known, and mostly these plant viruses occur by TMV. TME and TME contain RNA genome, and those all viruses also contain RNA genome. Okay, and what those viruses have rod-shaped capsid. Those viruses contain what? Those viruses contain rod-shaped capsid. Rod-shaped capsid like TMV. TMV also contain what? TMV also contain rod-shaped capsid. Now, if I to talk about here the animal virus, yeah. If I talk about the animal virus, so animal virus basically occur in parasites in animal, like it occur like parasites in animals. Okay, so viruses here we have different type of animal virus. This is rose scroma virus which cause cancer in animals. That virus is known as rose scroma. Now, rose scroma is the virus which cause basically what? Which cause cancer in animals. And we have different other viruses which attack and destroy different type of cells in the animals. Like we have poxy virus which causes smallpox, and we have hepatitis A, and which we have paramoxyvirus. Yeah, this is the most, we can say, common virus. So remember, this is mostly asked in the question, that is paramoxovirus. Paramoxovirus. Now this is what? This is the virus which cause what? Which cause mumps. Which cause mumps. Okay. So after that, the classification which is based on the host, that is clear to you guys. Now I'm going to discuss about the classification of virus based on structure. How on the structure the virus classified. So let me here. Okay, now if I do talk about here the classification based on the structure. So first we have what? First structure we have helical. Helical, okay? Helical capsid, because you know that capsid make the structure arrangement of capsomer form the shape structure. So helical capsid basically it is present in TMV. And if I do talk about what? If I do talk about polyhedral, we can say head and tail, so that is in the adenovirus, or you can say bacteriophage. Polyhedral, so in which we have head and tail, so that is in the bacteriophage, as we have discussed, bacteriophage, and it is also in the adenovirus, which is known as common cold virus. Okay, another we have a structure that is basically enveloped virus. Number C, we have enveloped virus. So this enveloped virus is basically present in influenza. Influenza. Baki last we have complex virus. As I told you here, what bacteriophage also contain polyhedral virus, but it is very complex. So complex virus you can say it is present in the bacteriophage. Now let's see the classification of virus which is based on genome. Okay, let's see the classification of virus based on genome. Okay, so now see the classification of virus based on genome. So as first of all we have double standard DNA. Double stranded DNA is basically the virus which is present in smallpox. Smallpox, okay? What? Double stranded DNA virus which is present in smallpox. Another we have single stranded DNA virus. Single stranded DNA virus which is present in basically the mid rush virus. Okay, which is present in the mid rush virus. Another we have what? Another we have basically double stranded RNA virus. Double stranded RNA virus. So that is present in basically we can say that is present in diarrhea. That is present in diarrhea, and we have single stranded RNA virus. Single stranded RNA virus which is basically present where? Which is present in rubella virus. Rubella virus. Now here we have another, if I talk about the HIV. So for HIV we have single stranded RNA template for DNA synthesis. Single stranded RNA from which the DNA is synthesized. From which the DNA is synthesized. So that is basically in the HIV. In the HIV, what single stranded RNA form the double stranded DNA virus. Another we have what single stranded RNA work as for mRNA template. mRNA, and that is in the influenza virus. Influenza virus, and the shape of influenza virus is basically what? The shape of influenza virus is enveloped virus. Okay. So I hope till that it is clear to you guys. So in the next video we're gonna discuss about the parasitic nature of virus. So till that, bye bye.